What's up, YouTube? So I'm gonna make a video that shows the parallel parking. I'm just gonna use this car because it gives you a better view of the back, right? I'm gonna do the parallel parking in this car because it's got the top down. You can see, you know, you can get a better picture of what it looks like. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna park in between these two cars here. Alright, so I'm gonna park in between this white car here and the yellow car, right? So you will pull up, and you will pull up until the back of your car is kind of lined up with the bumper of that car that you're gonna go in between, right? Then you're gonna put the car in reverse. You're gonna turn the steering wheel all the way to the right like that. Turn the wheel all the way right. As you're backing in, you're gonna go until you're about here. When your bumper is a little bit past, your front bumper is a little bit past the other car, you're gonna turn all the way to the left. You're gonna continue reversing. Continue reversing. And stop like there. Straighten the wheel. And pull forward. Alright. That is basically the parallel park. Alright, so I'm gonna back out and I'm gonna do that again. Alright, so again, you're gonna pull up until you're a little bit, your rear bumper is lined up with the car that you're trying to go in between like that. As soon as you pass the bumper, you're gonna turn all the way right. In this case, you're gonna go and then you're gonna start straightening up like that and then turn all the way once your front bumper is past the car.
Chaun, Vernon.
Continue backing up. And then straighten the wheel and pull forward, just like that. Okay, so that is basically the parallel part. You will pull up until your bumper is, your rear bumper is kind of equal to the bumper on the car that you're parking, the front car, right? You're parking between two cars. So make sure your bumper is lined up with your rear bumper is lined up with the rear bumper of the car you're going to park in between, right? Then you will reverse, turn all the way to the right, back up until you're into the space on some level, then turn all the way to the left and reverse. And then most of the time you have to put it back in drive and move forward a little bit to straighten up. I mean, it's really not that difficult. It probably will take some practice to get it, but the key is that you move, when you're parking beside a car, you pull up until your bumper is lined up with the rear bumper. Your rear bumper is lined up with the rear bumper. Turn all the way to the left, reverse. In this case, we're doing it on the right side, right? So you reverse, turn all the way to the right, back up until you're, almost to the edge of the area. Then turn all the way to the left. Most times you're doing this, there's a curve, right? So you will back up until you're close to the curb. and then turn all the way to the left, reverse, and then go forward and straighten up. Okay? I hope that I've been kind of helpful in giving you some idea how to parallel park. Parallel parking is a little bit more difficult than average parking, so it'll probably take you some time to get it. But with practice, it's pretty easy, right? So I hope it's been helpful. And as usual, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. She want me be a sweeter, she says she call me puppy. If me call her Senorita, she make me sing song just like Anita Baker.